Okay, the last thing I want to do tonight is I want to do an overview of Assignment 5A. It specifically goes along with the two practice problems that we just did, okay? So if we look at Assignment 5A, you're going to notice that we have 4 drawings that you're going to be creating, and each one of those you have already created the 3 views for. So just like we did for the saddle bracket and the anchor base in our module practice problems, you are now going to use that same process to create the next 4 drawings. And you have done all of these. So the base, the bearing base, the shaft support, the connecting rod, and the tube hanger are all 3 view drawings that you created in module 3. Okay, same place that we got the anchor base and the saddle bracket out of. As we go down, you're going to notice that during that same module, I offered extra credit for students who did the tube spacer and the slider. Okay, extra credit. So you can create the drawings for those as well if you want to do those. Notice for extra credit, I did not add drawing guides on purpose. Okay, but there are drawing guides for the main 4. Always do the main 4 first. Those are the ones that are required. Okay. And then the extra credit is the extra credit. Now you have the PDFs for each of these. So let me zoom out. You're going to notice something you want to pay attention to. When you pull in your 3 views, remember that's the file you created in module 3. That comes in always when you insert it as a block as a scale of 1. The 3 views come in as a scale of 1. The only thing you mess around with the scale with is going to be the border. So when we look down here, you're going to notice that border is 1 to 2. So when I pulled in the B size border for this English, this is an inch template or an inch border, you're going to notice that you're going to bring this in 2 times. Border only, not the views. The views come in at 1. The border then is going to come in at 2. Okay. So then you're going to be adding then the dimensions that you see here. Okay. So each one of those 4 drawings in assignment 5A, you've made in module 3, and now you're going to be adding the dimensions, and the drawing guides are right down here. You're going to save those as PDFs just like we did for the practice problems. Okay. And then you're going to upload all 4 of those PDFs, maybe 6 if you decide to do some extra credit, to the assignment here. Okay. Any questions on just kind of a brief overview here of assignment 5A? Okay. If not, then I'm going to stop the recording here. So a very brief overview.